My scientific vocation started when I discovered the microscope. I liked watching very tiny and small things invisible to the human eye. Since I was a child, my vocation was right there, and it ended up being my professional career. Our research group is working in two lines. One research line focuses on the study of the transportation of proteins inside the cell. We could say that we study the mechanisms or the highways of the cell. Then we have another important research line where we study fecundation. That is, the formation of the male gamete, spermatozoid, and the female gamete, which is the ovocyte, the way they are generated and how they interact. Our aim is to know better how cells work, and that is the fundamental aim in general. Then we also have more specific aims, such as studying which molecules are involved in the transportation process inside the cell, which molecules are involved in the recognition of gametes, how they are formed, how excess spermatozoids are destroyed, and things like that. I think that nowadays, one of the most difficult aspects in the Spanish scientific research is getting a cohesive work team. It's been the great fight from the beginning. In Spain, when a research group starts getting more knowledge and generating their own career, there is a general trend to fragmentation, to forming smaller groups. We thank the Seneca organization for its help for these excellent projects, because one of the problems that exists in science is that projects are short-term, used to last 3 years, for example the ones provided by the ministry or the European ones. This is why the fact that the community of Murcia has provided us with these resources for 5-year research allows us a long-term planning. Long-term planning is very difficult for scientists. And the option of spending the money in what you think is necessary is a great help. I think that those are the two fundamental points that make this kind of project have benefits. We're really doing basic research. We want to know how cells are. If we don't know how cells are in their standard condition, we will never know what happens when the cell is altered, when it suffers any pathology. That is what we're researching, and in the future it will be useful in order to know better the pathologies and, of course, help fight against these pathologies. Motivation should come from oneself. One should like what he is doing, because science, even if people don't believe it, is really hard. Personally, my motivation is just to be satisfied with myself. When I retire, I would like to say, well, I like what I've been doing throughout my life.